everybody. Welcome to our life in the Philippines. Just going to do a short little thing here. They are doing some changes of the sewage system here and putting in some pipes, and this has been a fun trip to see this happening. I'm going to go out there and take a look at it. Where's Janice? Oh, there she is. Huh? This.
Camera?
Is the camera.
Camera.
Yeah. I'm gonna go on. What's her name? Margie is here.
It's inside?
Yeah.
Hi everyone.
Right. So I'm gonna go and take a look at this. They just concreted the road here and made it really nice, and a couple of weeks later, or maybe a month, somebody is coming in here and they're tearing up the whole thing and putting in some new sewage system. And they've been working on it for a little while. And down here, they're putting in the pipes. And it's probably well needed, but coordination between the road engineers and engineers that engineer this has probably not been the best. As the road was completed, and now they have tore it up again. And yesterday they actually succeeded in cutting the pipes. So yesterday we were out of water for a long time, and now I know also why if you look down here, I know why we don't have enough water pressure. They're sending, like, it looks to me like a 1-inch pipe to supply the whole street here with water, and that can't be. That's why we don't have water in the morning. But as you can see, they're going down here all the way, and they're here working on it. And I think they have gone from basically all the way down to the end of this street and coming up here. So in a few days, couple of days, probably this whole thing should be completed, for sure. And it is interesting. So this is where they are with it. So it'll be interesting to see. And the stores are having a little extra trouble with getting their customers in, but it should be okay. Alright, so mainly they have been working here at nighttime, and we're assuming they're coming back tonight to finish off this whole thing. So we'll see how this goes. One of our Sorry stores, she just put up a new little banner the other day. So there's a lot of construction going on in the Philippines, and we're one of them that has experienced that in the last few days. And down here we have the neighbor. He's trying to finish up his house too. They're working pretty hard on that. It's all built with blocks. It looks pretty It looks pretty cool actually. Today has been a little overcast and rain all day, so we've spent most of the day inside. Anyway, that's a quick little update for what's going on in the neighborhood. And we'll see you later, and thank you for watching. God bless.